Hello my friend, I've been watching many of your videos and I've been really enjoying them, and I wanted to tell you that I like you very much. I think you are a very incredible person. You are really just an inspiration to me. I really mean it. I really like how you are so very spirited with your emotion. You don't feel you have to conceal or disguise your real feelings. You just live in the moment. I really like your philosophy of life. You forget about the future and the past. You just live in the present. Let tomorrow be tomorrow. Let yesterday be yesterday. Just live in the present. I really think that's a very important outlook on life, and I think that everyone had to learn that from you. And I just really like how you are so very spirited. You just do what you want. You do not care about what other people may think. You just enjoy yourself. I particularly like one of your comments, and that is in fact what prompted one of this video to you, okay? You said to one of the posters on the videos that there is no competition in fun and vice versa. I think that is just so beautiful, and it captures your outlook on life. There are only two things that worry me, okay? I mean, they do not really worry me. Forgive me, my English is very limited, but what am I trying to say is that there are two things that are that I just wanted to share with you, okay? Please do not think that I'm trying to judge or anything like that, but I've looked at the channels that you're interested in, and I noticed that that you seem to be excessively concerned with young girls. You know, I understand that young girls are young girls and they attract a lot of attention anyway, but I think that perhaps there might be some excessive interest in people who go through a different stage in their life. You know, I understand how on the one hand watching people may in fact help you live by your philosophy in life, because they do not think they are so uninhibited. They do not think about what the society and people who are obsessed with their vocations think about them. They just so creative. They think the future and everything is open towards them, and they can do anything they want. However, I think there might be some excessive undue interest. They maybe have something to do with some maybe undue sexual interest, okay? But it's not for me to judge. I'm just bringing that to your attention. Also, and that is probably the most important thing, you say that you live in the United States and you appear to be an American, okay? But I do not know why you try to make fun of the French accent, because I personally do not like when people make fun of other people's speech, okay? Because I do not think that it's very funny to just dwell on the pronunciation patterns that other people have, okay? I mean, because I think that you should stop trying to make fun of the French accent and just speak your American accent, because you say you're from LA, okay? So, alright. That's all I wanted to say. I really enjoy your videos, and I don't know. Just please know that I really like you very much. I really mean what I said. You're an incredible person. I like your humor. You're very witty and sharp person. You are very free spirited, and keep it up.